Okay, municipality elections are almost over. Tomorrow results. What is your expectation as GPCC president? It may be Naveli Baipol आणि 5 municipalities ज्या झाल्या पळय आणि एक CCP. किती result काँग्रेसाचे कसं असताना तुम्ही सांगा?
As far as the Congress is concerned, it was a symbol election only in the Baipur, and we have given, the Congress party has given a best candidate what people expect. The young, dynamic, a clean face, a royal congresswoman. Pratima was a demand made by the people of Naveli constituency that she should be their ZP candidate. So by the virtue of the demand of the people of Naveli, we convinced her to contest this election. So ideally, we have given the choice, best choice to the people of Naveli against the two-term ZP, against combined forces of BJP. She was a Congress candidate. She was fighting alone, where Chief Minister himself came, the Philip Neri, another minister was used. When they couldn't do, they put the first dummy BJP candidate, then they put BJP candidate, and then they used their reserve force, Churchill Alemao, who is readily available for the Congress, for BJP, to fight against the Congress. So in spite of that, it will be people's victory tomorrow.
In Churchill calling you Girish, he termed you as Greece, a B team of BJP and all. What do you have to say on that?
People of Goa very well knows who has changed the party how many times. Presently, he being the NCP MLA, he should be the opposition. But he is with the Chief Minister. So that itself talk, where is Churchill Alemao? Churchill Alemao cannot teach the loyalty lessons to others, when he himself sold to BJP. And he is available to BJP whenever BJP needs. So it's open secret, everyone knows, everyone in Goa knows. Now it's a time of the Churchill is over.
गिरीश फाल्यां असेंब्ली इलेक्शन येयलें आनी समज तूं चर्चिलाचे NCP आसा म्हणून नातें आसा म्हणून NCPच्या बराबर तुमी आले चर्चिलाक एक्सेप्ट करतले तुमी एलियन्सान?
Can anybody trust Churchill Alemao in politics? Now people of Benali also fed up. That's why they have defeated his one candidate. In both the ZP seat, Congress stood second in Benali, where the Congress was nowhere. But this ZP election, Congress stood second. That means if you work little more, next time Benali seat will be Congress seat.
पण फाल्यां मागीर सडनली काँग्रेसा करता जाल्यार काँग्रेस चर्चिलाकूय घेवंक शकता चर्चिलाकूय घेवपी.
Now it is a time for a young, dynamic. That's why we fielded Pratima. It is a signal to the people of Goa that our new candidates will be young, dynamic, and who are loyal to the party. Will not switch the sides from it.
Old people are gone. Old.
70 to 80% of the new candidates will be fielded. The Pratima was an example that was given before the people of Goa.
Okay, what do you have to say about Veli Sarpanch Savio, who has been tirelessly working along with Pratima and ZP, now today opening all these things. So how do you see this type of young faces?
Savio is a dynamic leader. He is very connected to the ground. We want such leaders to be part of the Congress. And we are happy he has joined Congress long back. And he is helping us. He has helped our ZP candidate. He has helped our ZP candidate Naveli, now Pratima. And he is there in the party.
So such type of youth would be given tickets in future in assembly and all?
See, that's what I said. This time we are trying to give 70 to 80% young, new, royal faces.